Hi guys, Megan here. How many of you enjoy a good iced coffee? I sure do, but my wallet does not. Today I have for you a great recipe, delicious recipe that I experimented with, that I have found to be the best homemade version. And all of these ingredients are organic or non-GMO. It's just like a coffee shop for half the cost. Let's get started. I am going to put into my cup half a cup of whipped cream, 2 cups of ice cream. I am using peppermint and Oreo, but you could use any ice cream flavor. I have done this before with vanilla. You could use chocolate, you could use anything. The sky is the limit. The original recipe of this actually called for a half a cup of milk. I added extra Cool Whip instead of the half a cup of milk, and I found it was way creamier, more delicious. You will look amazing when you make this for your friends and family. Your bank account will thank you too. Next, I'm gonna add 1 cup of coffee. I brewed this myself at home. It comes out to about 10 cents for a cup of coffee, brewing it yourself. You also have to let it cool. Be very careful pouring this. Most of the time when I make it, it spills everywhere. If you spill everywhere, it's okay. Oh, just like that. Last ingredient is 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup. Then we are ready to blend. That is perfect. As you can see, I have already chocolate coated my glasses. You could drink this whole portion yourself. I like to break it out. Then top it off with Cool Whip, a little bit more chocolate sauce. You could also use caramel, you could use strawberry. Also, I have crushed up a little bit of Oreos. Beautiful. Gourmet coffee drink for half the price. Cannot beat that at all. And that's it, everyone. That's how you make the perfect coffee shake. Thank you all so much for watching. Please, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like and the subscribe. It would really help me out. Catch you guys next time. Bye!